Hello everybody, today I'm going to be solving this complex square root equation where I've got 5 multiplied by the square root of 3 over x plus 7 multiplied by the square root of x over 3 equals to 68 over 3. Now my general principle with these equations is to simplify it as much as you can, so that means getting rid of these square root terms. But for this equation I'm going to use a different method. I'm going to use substitution, because if you notice within the square root I've got 3 over x here and x over 3 here, so they're simply reciprocals of one another. So 1 over 3 over x will just give you x over 3, and 1 over x over 3 will just give you 3 over x. So I'm going to rewrite 3 over x as a, and I know that if I do 3 over x, the square root of 3 over x equals a, if I square both sides, I'm just going to get 3 over x equals a squared. And if I have 3 over x is a squared, then I know that x over 3 is just going to be 1 over a squared. And if I square root both sides, I'm just going to get x, square root of x over 3 is square root of 1 over a squared, which is just 1 over a. So I'm going to substitute in these into my equation, and I'm going to solve for it. So I'm going to have 5 square root of 3 over x, which we know is just a, plus 7 square root of x over 3, which we know is just 1 over a, equals to 68 over 3. Now I'm going to multiply through by a to get rid of that denominator. So I'm going to do 5a squared plus 7 equals 68 over 3, and I'm also going to multiply through by 3 as well. So I'm going to have 15a squared plus 21 equals 68a. Okay, and now I'm going to bring the 15a squared, I'm going to bring the 68 over to the left hand side. And I can just expand this out to get me 5, 3. So we're going to have 5a, 3a, is 15. And I'm just going to have 21 here, and I'm going to have a 1 there. And if we do 5 times 3, 15a squared, 21 times 3, 63 minus 5a, so that's negative 68 plus 21, multiply negative 21 and 1, get 0. So then if we solve for this, we get a is 21 over 5 and a is 1/3. But we're not finished yet, because we know that a is 21 over 5. Now, we know that a is also root 3 over x. So if 21 over 5 will give us root 3 over x, then I have to solve for this. So I'm going to square both sides. I'm going to get 441 over 25 equals 3 over x. So I'm going to do x is 75 over 441. That's my first. And I'm also going to solve for 1 over 3. So I'm going to get 1 over 3 equals to root 3 over x. Square both sides, 1 over 9 is 3 over x. So I bring the x up and I bring the 9 up. So I'm going to have x is 27. These are my solutions. These are my solutions to this problem here. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.